So let's just talk about custom hook in React. So the custom hook is basically a reusable function that allows to encapsulate the logic, and the custom hook can be shared across different components. So we can create the custom hook using other hooks, like we can use the use state hook, or we can use effect hook to create our new custom hook. And the custom hook helps to organize and reuse the logic without repeating the code in multiple components. So let's just talk about some of the key points while creating the custom hook. So first of all, the custom hook must start with the keyword use. So this is one convention that all custom hooks should start with the use prefix. And secondly, we can use the existing hooks while creating our new custom hook. Like in example, we can use the use state or the use effect, and we can combine one or more hooks to create our reusable logic. And thirdly, the custom hook should be one pure JavaScript function. That means it must not return any JSX or render anything. Instead, it should return values like the states or functions or any other values that will be used by other components. And fourthly, the custom hook should follow the rules of the hooks. So first of all, we should call the hooks at the top level. That means we should not use our hooks inside any loops or conditions or even any kind of nested functions. So our new custom hook must call other hooks at the top level, and we must use them inside our React functional components. And number 5, the custom hook should return values that can be used by other components. Like in example, it should return the state or functions, object, or any other values. And number 6, the custom hook can also take parameters. So we can pass parameters to our custom hook just like any other function, and they can be used to customize the behavior of our custom hook. And number 7, we should encapsulate the logic inside our new custom hook so that they can be used across multiple components. And most importantly, it should not depend on the specifics of any one component. It should be aimed to be general so that it applies to various use cases. So these are the few key points that we should follow while creating the custom hook. Now the question is, why do we need to create the custom hook? So first of all, the custom hooks can be used for code reusability. That means we can encapsulate the logic and we can use that across multiple components, and that way we can reuse the code across multiple components. And secondly, we can have clean component because we are separating the logic from the UI, which makes our components look cleaner and also easier to read and also simpler. And thirdly, we can separate the concern, so we can organize the code by different functions rather than by the lifecycle or the state. So with the use of the custom hook, we can separate the concern and our code will be much more organized that way. So that's it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care.